that is plaguing us, which is putting Goa in a very bad light. Two prominent people, two respectable people, apparently, both legislators, are trading charges against each other. Now, Michael has said that Rohan is involved in Gundagiri. Rohan is saying that Michael, he is alleging that he is involved in drugs, prostitution, and gambling. This is a very serious charge because Michael has not said no to these charges. Rohan goes on to compare him to Pablo Escobar. Now, I am afraid for my constituency, but it will affect the whole of Goa. You see, I am afraid for the future of the youth of Kalangut and Goa. I am afraid for the young women of Kalangut and Goa. Because this is a very, very serious charge. There were rumors that he is involved in prostitution. Now a legislator is saying that he is involved. And CM and the police are quiet about this. The CM should have immediately taken action. Now Michael was the one who was to say that I have the names of all the police officers who are helping the drug dealers, insinuating that he knows the drug dealers also. Very evident. Now, is it his threat to the police to let his illegal business run? Because that is his modus operandi. What he has done with Babu and his PI, when they didn't allow his illegal truck to come in, he threatened that police officer is very corrupt, I will take action. And then they did some sort of settlement, what they call a settlement. Was it the same threat that Michael put out? Has he given the names of these police officers and the drug dealers who are involved in this business? Just recollect, the biggest drug raid was conducted in Kalangut. The biggest drug raid in Goa was conducted in Kalangut when Michael Lobo was not in Goa. When he is in Goa, there are no drug raids taking place in Kalangut. So who is protecting all these drug dealers? We have a very corrupt police officer in Kalangut. I had actually shunted him out when I was the MLA because I knew for certain that he was taking haftas from these drug dealers and prostitutes. Even the transgenders he does not leave. Recently, I had given him video evidence of transgender coming and threatening my customers in my hotel and taking money from them. Till today, it's about 3 months, he has not filed a single FIR. Every time my manager goes to the police station, there is no news of there. I have complained to the SP North, no action. I am going to go to the new chief of police against this Rapose, who is in Kalangut, the most corrupt officer in Goa. I know it firsthand. Now this racket is being operated with the patronage of Michael, I'm sure. Because you see, anytime there are two places that are host to Nigerian drug dealers and prostitutes. Two places in the whole of Kalangut. You go anytime after midnight, there are two places where these people frequent. Now, when a MLA alleges that this fellow, another minister, sniffs, sniff, that is what Rohan, I am not saying it, Rohan has said it openly. Sniff kurneta, kida sniff kurneta anuko. When he alleges that he is a Pablo Escobar, that he is in the drug trade, he is into prostitution, he is into gambling. मोडको तो एकदा वन कोर म्हणटा भुरग्यांक घेवं नाका म्हणटा दुसरे दिसा लिगलायज कोर म्हणून सांगता. So this type of MLAs and ministers and the chief minister is quiet about this. I think if chief minister should immediately drop him, or Michael, if he has got any this to save his face, he should resign and let an impartial inquiry be conducted on this. It is a charge not from the opposition, not from ordinary opposition. It's a MLA who is charging you of drug dealing and prostitution. So the chief minister should look into this and take strict action, because drugs is a very serious issue and you know the record. Kalangut raid is not जायना. Only Michael केन्ना भायर गेलो त्याचा raid मारलें, the biggest haul of drugs was has taken place there, and it was not even conducted by the PI from that area. It was conducted by ANC. ANC जे munition थिंगा गेला. So they all are hand in gloves. Drugs and prostitution is flourishing in Kalangut constituency under this fellow. So I request the chief minister, It's not nothing against Michael personally, but I want to save Goa and my constituency first. Just do an inquiry. Who is right, who is wrong. Whether otherwise he should sue Rohan. What a serious charge this is. As calling him Pablo Escobar, and that he's running the government with his ill-gotten money. And I went to see that serial after Rohan this. And dista to hai that he's acting like that. The way he's going about everything, he's overriding every department, every this. He's interfering in every department. Apna just garbage is just no. Sogla gaya. And CM seems to be quiet. So maybe he's actually got his drug money and is controlling the government. This is going to be very bad for Goa. Colombia ko hai datele. And my gang war datele. I don't know if they are tirade against each other between Rohan and this. It is a tough war. हेचे कडेन हांगासरले ड्रग डिलर्स आनी माफिया आहा नायजेरियन तेचे कडेन गोंयचे आहा आय डोंट नो वॉट दॅट इज बट CM should seriously look into this matter because this is a very serious issue. It is affecting the image of Goa also elsewhere. It's come on all the papers. Facebook is full of this, that Pablo Escobar is running Kalangut and Goa. So I hope CM looks into this seriously.